morning. Today I am addressing B.Ed Semester 2 students dealing with paper 7A Pedagogy of English. Today's topic is language acquisition. Students, I have already told you in my previous class about language acquisition and language learning. Again I am repeating so that you can revise it in your mind, and I have made this video for your future reference also. Language acquisition. Please see on this board, language acquisition. By acquisition is meant an act by which something is acquired, especially knowledge, a skill, etc. What do you mean by acquisition? First of all, you should know the meaning of acquisition. Acquisition means to obtain something, कुछ हासिल करना. Here we are concerned with language acquisition, यानी language को हासिल करना. So this is an act by which something is acquired, especially knowledge. We can acquire knowledge, we can acquire any skill, etc. Therefore, by language acquisition should mean the process by which knowledge and skill in a language is acquired. What do you mean by language acquisition? Language acquisition should mean the process by which knowledge. It is a process by which knowledge and skill in a language is acquired. Someone acquires knowledge or skill in a language is called language acquisition. A child acquires language naturally. We see that a child acquires language by when he is born. After 1 or 2 years, he acquires language first of all by symbols, and then slowly he utters words, and then he acquires language naturally after seeing his parents speak at home. This is a process in which both heredity and environment seem to be equally at work. Here what happens? Here heredity and environment both work. Child's heredity also counts and his environment also counts in his acquisition of language. Now look at language learning. By learning is meant to bring about a change. What is meant by learning? I have already told you in my previous classes that learning is a change in behavior. The same thing is mentioned here. It is meant to bring about a change, preferably positive change, not negative change. It is positive change which comes in our behavior, that is called learning. In an individual's behavior, any individual's behavior changes due to learning by his experience or by his teaching which he has been taught. There is a change in his behavior which is called learning. Learning brings about improvement in an individual's behavior. What happens in learning? It brings about improvement. Behavior improves. In learning, behavior improves, and this is called that learning is taking place. When we see that an individual has changed his behavior, then we can say that learning, he has learned something. It is through learning that an individual learns to do activities that he could not do previously. What happens through learning? It is through learning that any individual, any child or any person, any man learns to do certain activities that he could not do previously. But when he has learned something, he can do that act, or he can do those activities which he has not done earlier. After learning those things, he can do it nicely. Language is the chief medium of exchange of ideas and views. You know that language is the chief medium of exchange of ideas and views. We use language to express ourselves, to express our ideas and views. We use language only. Language is the chief medium of those exchange of our ideas and our views. A child in the beginning acquires language through symbols with which he attributes words. As his learning expands, what happens? In the beginning, a child acquires language through symbols. But when he uses symbols, he acquires language. With those symbols, he attributes words to those symbols. And as his learning expands, when he expands in his learning, and then he starts to align ideas to them. Then he aligns ideas to those learning which he attributes symbols with his words. He starts learning, and so he assigns ideas to those things. He establishes relationship between words and symbols. Then what happens? Then a child establishes a relationship between his words and symbols and goes on to acquire the meaning of these words and symbols over a period of time. And when time passes by, the meaning of these words and symbols, he acquires the meaning of those things as time passes by. It is through teaching that a child's understanding about these symbols is put on the right course. It is through teaching. When someone teaches the child, or by teaching, he learns and he understands about those symbols, is put on the right course and in proper perspective. So we have seen that when a child is small, he learns everything according. When he sees at home, he attributes the words with symbols, symbols with words, and then he automatically acquires language. Naturally, you can say that the child learns language, acquires language naturally. Now, difference between language acquisition and language learning. Now see what is the difference between language acquisition and language learning. Though we know that these two things are related with each other, but they are separate also in many ways. Language acquisition and language learning are both related with each other, but they are separate too in many ways, which we will see at present. Language acquisition pertains to a situation in which a child acquires language. What happens when a child acquires language in language acquisition? It pertains to a situation, and in most situations it occurs without his being unaware of the process. He is being unaware of the process, but he is acquiring the language. He is unaware, still he is acquiring language. A situation forms that the child acquires language and it occurs without his being unaware of the process. Whereas in language learning, a conscious effort is made in learning the language. Whereas when we want the children to learn the language, there is a conscious effort. We use effort while teaching the language, and to make the child learn the language, a teacher has to make an effort, or his parents has to make an effort so that the language is learned by the child. However, these two processes cannot be separated from each other. I have already told you before that these two processes, that means language acquisition and language learning, they cannot be separated from each other. For example, you can see that a child perceives an apple and forms an image of the fruit in his mind. A child perceives an apple and forms an image of the fruit in his mind. And it is then that his mother tells that it is an apple, and he associates this name with the fruit. For example, we can say that when we start telling the child, see, this is an apple, this is an apple, the child perceives in his mind, but he completely can't understand unless and until his mother tells him that it is an apple, and then he associates this name with the fruit. और तब वो associate करते हैं fruit को अपने mind में, और then he acquires and learns at the same time. Then he acquires this language and learns at the same time. If a child is given opportunity to acquire and learn language he will do it. So we find that if a child is given opportunity, when we give a child opportunity, he is able to learn language, he will do it. Only opportunity is needed for the child to learn or acquire any language. This is the reason that stress is laid on giving a child suitable experiences. So this is the reason we see that stress is laid on giving a child suitable experiences. We give a child suitable experiences in his environment. In his environment, a child gets suitable experiences and stress is laid on giving those suitable experiences to the child in his environment so that he can acquire language and further strengthen his learning on its basis. So that what happens? He can acquire language when we give suitable experiences in the child's environment. The child acquires language and further strengthens its learning on its basis.
3.
I think that language acquisition and language learning is clear to you, and difference between language acquisition and language learning also is clear. I have explained and I have made this video for your future reference. Thank you.